Simple and tasty. Cut the pork chop into slices of the same thickness. Place the slices in the baking tray. Sprinkle the meat with grated cheese. Place the second layer of meat. Finally, chop a few slices of bacon. Fry the bacon in a pan with vegetable oil. Finally, chop 1 onion. Sauté the onion with the bacon. Add a few mushrooms cut into thin slices to the pan. Sauté the mushrooms, stirring continuously with a spatula. Season with sweet paprika, salt, black pepper, curry. Add liquid cream and mix the sauce. Pour the sauce with mushrooms and bacon into the tray with meat. Sprinkle the sauce layer with grated cheese and bake for 30 minutes. Sprinkle salad mix into the bowl. Add a few cherry tomatoes cut into pieces. One cucumber cut into thin slices. Add half a red onion thinly sliced. Season the vegetables with salt and olive oil. Mix the salad. I bet it is the most delicious pork recipe you have ever tried. You can prepare it for a hearty family lunch or with a fresh salad for the festive table.